Design a rolling integrated baking and coffee catering cart to add temporary, flexible staging and serving space for holiday gatherings in a large family kitchen. Start by planning the footprint so the cart fits through doorways and around counters while offering ample workspace. Include a dedicated power module with a cord management reel and a built-in outlet strip rated for appliances to run mixers, warmers, and a coffee brewer safely. Specify commercial-style locking caster wheels so the cart locks solidly during use and rolls smoothly when you need to move it. Choose rubberized wheels to protect flooring. Add a refrigerated drawer sized for milk, cream, and perishable desserts and position it under the work surface for easy access without bending repeatedly. Install a shallow vertical towel and utensil rack on one side and deep shelves on the other for sheet pans and serving platters, keeping frequently used items at hip height. Finish with a heat-resistant worktop and a removable cutting board section so you can swap surfaces for baking prep or coffee setup without tools. Common mistakes include underestimating power needs, which causes tripped circuits. Avoid that by calculating the combined wattage of all devices and adding a safety margin of 20% and place the dedicated power module on a separate circuit when possible. Another issue is instability from undersized casters that leads to wobble while mixing or pouring. Choose rated locking casters and test with a loaded cart before the event. Storage layout problems happen when items are poorly organized and slow service. Map the workflow first, so refrigerated items, utensils, and serving platters are in logical order, and use labeled bins or dividers to keep everything reachable. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners explore installed solutions and project ideas like integrated catering carts and connect with local contractors who can build to your specifications. We also help contractors find work and join our discussion community where we share tips, plans, and real-world feedback on what works in large family kitchen setups.